Hello students, our today's topic is classify GL accounts for document splitting. बीडी कैश का जो लेजर हमने बनाया है उसे हमें डॉक्यूमेंट स्प्लिटिंग में ऐड करना है. फॉर दैट वी कैन गो बाय पाथ SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Business Transaction, Document Splitting and Classify GL account for document splitting. SAP में जाते हैं. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Business Transaction, Document Splitting, and Classify GL document for GL accounts for document splitting. Chart of account TRCA. Continue and change here our number to 0. Zero 400 save. Yes. Click on request and search for document splitting. Define document splitting characteristics. Now click on come back. Our next topic is maintain business transaction. Here we will assign the ledgers for cash journal. For that we can go by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Bank Accounting, Business Transaction, Cash Journal and Maintain Business Transaction. SAP में जाते हैं. SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Bank Accounting, Business Transaction, Cash Journal and Maintain Business Transaction. So here we will copy, search करते हैं ZUK1. Okay, we don't have standards. We will create new entries. Enter your company code. Business transaction, expenses, GL account, expense, press enter. Cash journal, cash purchase, press enter. Specify tax code, that is V1, again TRE1, receipt from bank account, enter your bank ledger, receipt from bank. Then press enter. Again TRE1, enter vendor posting, payment to vendor. Next TRE1, customer D, payment from customer. Next, TRE1 B, payment to bank account. Again our GL, transfer journal to bank. Again TRE1 our company code, and R, that is revenue. 6 lakhs, and then cash sales. Press enter, specify tax code V1, press enter. Okay, sorry, A1, press enter, and now click on save button. Click on create request and enter your description. Maintain business transaction. Then click on continue button.